All right, now welcome to SC Custom Designs, where this is I believe it's the third seal coat since we had the driveway done. We followed the company's advice, United Asphalt. If you're in the Capital District here in Schenectady, Albany, Troy, or beyond, I highly recommended United Asphalt. They did a stellar job tearing up my old driveway, putting down the tarp, and the whole 9 yards. They just did an amazing job. And the owner, I believe, John, came on site the last day to make sure everything went perfect, and it did. They even gave me 2 ridges on the right and the left. That was the last minute, my friends, because I neglected to tell them that I'd like to stop my neighbor's dirt and my own dirt from coming into my driveway. So that's what they did. This is the second video that I'm doing. I did the first short one when they first started way back yonder in the back. So there you go. If you like what you see, lots of you all like my videos. You give thumbs up and mostly positive comments. Those of you who are experts, yeah, I really appreciate your feedback. This is SC Custom Designs. Once again, if you like what you see, smash the like button and subscribe. Do our usual goodbye, shalom uvracha in Hebrew, goodbye. Totzins, Afrikaans, Tsaijin, Mandarin, mainland China, Taiwan. Arrivederci, au revoir. And another one I'm forgetting. Take care, God bless. Stay safe out there. And my last piece of advice is don't overseal. Some folks seal every year, and that just builds up too much and causes other types of issues. So, all right, take care.